How to create February dump sticker in Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a February dump sticker in Instagram story. So if you also want to create a February dump sticker, just head over to your search section and just search in for this account. Do it like this. So they have bunch of templates already made available for you, so simply tap on this their story called 2025 highlights. So simply scroll or just tap on until you find this February dump and just click on this add yours button, so it will automatically open this your camera. So once you're inside here, just you can select the grid or amount of photos you want to select. So from once you select, let me select 6. So once you select like this, you can simply add your photos or videos from inside of your gallery. So let me just select some random photos. So you just have to enter your photos here one by one, and that is it guys. That is exactly how you can easily add your February dump sticker on Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.